Maybe I'm a bit biased, but when it comes to quality cookware, there's nothing like an American-made masterpiece. Unlike mass-produced pots and pans that dramatically deteriorate with use, the best USA-made cookware will easily become a treasured family heirloom and a living testament to this country's world-leading manufacturing quality and craftsmanship. You'll find links to each of the best USA-made cookware in the description box below. This American-made Stargazer cast iron skillet offers the perfect balance of traditional craftsmanship and modern design features that make it worth adding to your kitchen collection. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the Stargazer 12-inch skillet stands out immediately with its beautifully machined cooking surface. Unlike rougher traditional cast iron, this smooth finish helps prevent food from sticking while still developing that coveted natural seasoning over time. You'll appreciate how the pre-seasoned surface gives you a head start on building up those non-stick properties that make cast iron so beloved. What makes this pan truly special is its thoughtful design elements. The flared rim allows for drip-free pouring from any angle, no dedicated pour spouts needed. This clever feature comes in handy when you're transferring sauces or draining excess oil. The extended handle also deserves mention as it's engineered to stay cooler longer than typical cast iron handles, making it more comfortable to use during stovetop cooking. Heat distribution is another area where the Stargazer excels. Cast iron naturally retains heat exceptionally well, but this skillet takes it further with consistent heating across the entire cooking surface. You can sear steaks perfectly, bake cornbread with a beautiful crust, or fry eggs without worrying about hot spots. The versatility means you can use it on any cooking surface, from gas and electric to induction cooktops and even open flames or ovens. At 6.5 pounds, the skillet offers substantial heft that contributes to its heat retention without being unmanageable. The ergonomic design helps offset the weight, making it practical for everyday use. Many customers mention the balance feels just right, allowing for confident handling when moving from stovetop to oven or table. Next up on my list of the best cookware that's made in the USA, we have this Lancaster cast iron skillet that brings back the classic quality of American cast iron craftsmanship. Made entirely in Pennsylvania, this skillet is available in a variety of different sizes, which are based on the traditional American cast iron sizing metrics dating back to the 1800s. You'll appreciate the thoughtful traditional design elements, including pour spouts and a helper handle that indicates the size for easy identification in your cookware collection. Unlike rough surface budget skillets, the Lancaster skillet features a smooth cooking surface that comes pre-seasoned with 2 coats of grapeseed oil. This preparation means you can start cooking immediately with better nonstick performance than typical factory seasoning. The smooth surface also makes cleaning easier and helps build up that cherished patina faster with regular use. You'll find this skillet incredibly versatile in your kitchen. The number 4 size is perfect for cooking 1 or 2 eggs, creating personal-sized desserts like skillet cookies, or preparing sauces and sides. On the opposite end of the spectrum, their number 12 skillet can fry around 8 eggs at a time and cook large meals with ease. The skillet's versatility extends to compatibility with any heat source. You can use it on gas, electric, induction stovetops, in the oven, on grills, or even over campfires. This adaptability makes it an excellent choice whether you're cooking at home or bringing it along for outdoor adventures. Lancaster's commitment to quality is evident in their lifetime guarantee. While most cookware eventually wears out, this skillet is built to be handed down for generations. Though the price point sits higher than mass-produced alternatives, you're investing in American craftsmanship and a product designed to last a lifetime. For those who value supporting domestic manufacturing while getting a superior cooking tool, the Lancaster line of cast iron cookware represents excellent long-term value. Moving on, if you're looking for the best stainless steel cookware that's made in the USA, This family-owned, American-made cookware set from Heritage Steel offers exceptional quality and durability without toxic coatings, making it a worthwhile investment for serious home cooks. Heritage Steel's partnership with Eater has produced a remarkable 10-piece cookware collection that stands out in the crowded American-made kitchenware market. The set features a fully clad 5-ply construction with 3 aluminum layers sandwiched between protective stainless steel, ensuring heat spreads evenly throughout the entire cooking surface, not just the bottom. Unlike many competitors, you won't find any PFAS, PTFE, Teflon, or other chemical coatings on these pans. The cooking surface is pure 304 stainless steel, also known as 1810s, creating a completely non-toxic cooking environment. For health-conscious cooks tired of replacing scratched nonstick pans, this represents a major upgrade that can last decades with proper care. The thoughtful design extends beyond materials. Cool touch handles make stovetop cooking more comfortable, while the versatility to use these pans on any cooking surface, including induction, provides flexibility. They're even oven safe up to an impressive 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Though the learning curve for cooking on stainless steel exists, the performance benefits make it worthwhile. Foods develop better searing and caramelization once you master the techniques. Manufacturing takes place entirely in Clarksville, Tennessee, though some materials are sourced globally. While the price point sits higher than budget options, it's actually competitive when compared to other premium American-made cookware brands. The lifetime warranty further justifies the investment, as Heritage Steel has been crafting quality cookware for over 40 years, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. Checking in at number 2 on my best made in the USA cookware roundup, we have his American-made cast iron skillet from FINEX, which combines stunning design with superior functionality, making it worth the investment for serious home cooks looking for cookware that will last generations. FINEX manufactures a variety of American cast iron cookware, including Dutch ovens, griddles, grill pans, sauce pots, and presses. But it was the FINEX cast iron skillet that caught my eye the most with its distinctive octagonal design. This isn't just for looks. The 8 sides create multiple pouring options, giving you greater control when transferring sauces or draining excess fat. The skillet arrives pre-seasoned with organic flaxseed oil, so you can start cooking right away without the lengthy seasoning process typically associated with new cast iron. What truly sets this pan apart is its machined, ultra-smooth cooking surface. Unlike the rough texture found in many cast iron pans, this satin finish creates a natural non-stick surface that improves with use. Your eggs will slide and steaks will release more easily, while still developing that perfect crust that cast iron is famous for. The innovative spring handle design addresses one of the biggest complaints about traditional cast iron: burning your hands. Wound from 300 series stainless steel, the handle stays cooler longer and cools down faster than solid handles. You'll appreciate this thoughtful feature when cooking multiple batches of food without constantly reaching for oven mitts. Made in the USA and built for generations of use, this skillet works beautifully on all cooking surfaces, from gas and electric to induction stovetops and even open flames and grills. It performs consistently. The included lid transforms the skillet into a versatile vessel for braising, steaming, and simmering, expanding your cooking options significantly. The thick base and walls provide exceptional heat retention and distribution. This means more even cooking without hot spots that can burn food. While this skillet represents a significant investment compared to basic cast iron, its versatility, thoughtful design, and heirloom quality construction make it a worthwhile addition to your kitchen that you'll likely pass down to the next generation of cooks in your family. Considering the variety of brands in the blossoming USA-made cookware market, it was quite a challenge to pick a winner. And while any of the brands in this review are absolutely worth buying, One of my personal top picks is 360 Cookware, who manufacture their products out of Wisconsin. The 360 starter set brings American craftsmanship right to your kitchen with its 6-piece collection of premium cookware. Handcrafted in the USA from T316 surgical grade stainless steel, this set stands out for its exceptional durability and performance on any cooking surface, including induction cooktops. With this set, you get the essentials to kickstart your cooking journey: an 8-inch covered fry pan, a 2-quart saucepan with cover, and a 4-quart stock pot with cover. The set also comes with a complimentary stainless steel cleaner, care guide, and certificate of authenticity. Of course, for those seeking a more extensive cookware set, 360 has a variety of other sets available to cater to your personal cooking needs and shopping budget. The revolutionary 360 vapor cooking technology is what makes this set truly special. You'll notice quicker cooking times and better flavor retention in your dishes. Plus, this cooking method helps preserve more nutrients, supporting healthy eating and non-toxic cooking. The Stay Cool long handles are a thoughtful touch, making it comfortable to cook without worrying about burns. These pots and pans can handle temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven, giving you flexibility for various cooking techniques. You'll appreciate the non-toxic cooking experience these pans provide. Unlike some cookware with questionable coatings, this set is completely free from harmful chemicals that could leach into your food. The longevity of this cookware is super impressive too. While many sets need replacing after a decade, 360 Cookware will last a lifetime with proper care, as the numerous long-term reviews attest to. Each piece comes with a lifetime warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's supreme confidence in their product. And there you have it, the best USA-made cookware that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying cookware, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more videos like this one.